What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I have a new Starbucks drink for you. So this drink actually came out a couple days ago, but I tried the cocoa almond milk one first, and then I am going to be trying the cinnamon one today. So it is called, I have my phone, don't worry, the cold brew with cinnamon almond milk foam, which sounds so good. I love cinnamon anything, or like cinnamon sugar anything, or just like, it reminds me of fall time. So I'm like super excited to try it. We are actually on our way to Starbucks now. I already ordered it. It's literally just waiting for me to be picking it up. So I'm so excited for this drink. If you guys are excited for this video, give it a like, comment down below video ideas for the future. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and let's continue to Starbucks. Hey, I have a pickup order for Hannah.
For Hannah, definitely.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Here we go. We're the only one in line. Oh my god. Thank you. You as well. I think that was literally the fastest Starbucks trip I have ever had in my entire life, and that's crazy. Let's go park. Okay guys, so here we have the drink. It is the cinnamon almond milk foam cold brew, which is super exciting. So the last one I tried was the cocoa almond milk cold brew, and they actually mixed the foam in for me already, so I didn't really get to taste what the foam tasted like, which was like, I guess the main thing we're really tasting for, because we already know what a cold brew tastes like. But for this one, they didn't, and that makes me so happy, and I'm super excited to get a taste of the foam, because that, I guess, is the point of the video, to tell you guys what the foam tastes like, or if the foam is good, because cold brew, everybody knows what cold brew is. So let's go ahead and taste it. I'm super excited. Like I said, I love cinnamon, so I'm hoping it is good. So, here. I like it. There's not a lot of it. I wish there was more cold brew, not cold brew. I wish there was more foam, because the foam is so good, but there's such a little amount that you literally drink it all so fast. But it's literally so freaking good. It tastes like cinnamon, obviously, but like sweet cinnamon, like cinnamon sugar almost, but like, you know what I mean? I think it tastes mostly like cinnamon sugar. I wish there was more towards my side. Oh my god, it's so good. Oh my god, the foam is so good. I would drink the foam by itself, even though that would kind of be disgusting. I would. I would have to rate the foam a 10 out of 10. I totally recommend. If you like cold brew, definitely try this drink, because it's cold brew, and then if you like to try it with different foams on top, this is definitely one of the better foams that they had. I've tried like a pumpkin one before. That one was okay. I've tried the cocoa one, but I didn't really get to taste it, like I said, because it was already technically mixed into the drink already, so I didn't really get to taste that. And I've tried like other ones. The salted one, that one was okay, but this one is definitely my favorite out of all the foams, other than like the original sweet cream foam. But yeah, I definitely recommend this for you guys. You should totally go try it. It's really, really good. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Comment down below what drinks you guys want me to try for the future, or also what types of food you guys want me to try in the future. I did just post a video of the new Impossible breakfast sandwich. For people who haven't seen it already, you can definitely go check that out if you are interested in knowing how that tastes. I tasted it for you guys. And don't forget to subscribe, like I said, and I will see you guys in my next one. I hope you have a great day. Bye.